Hello year one and welcome back for our final maths lesson of this week. So let's have a look and see what we're doing. Okay, so we've got a bit of a starter here like we've been doing over the past few days. So I want you to pause the video in a minute and I'd like you to show me all the different ways you can represent the number 20. So I want you to write the number 20 underneath in your words, draw it in a tens frame. See if you can write all of your numbers along the bottom and then circle the number 20. See if you can draw it in your tens and ones and see if you can find a way to make 20. Okay? Do you think you could pause me and have a go at doing that now and posting it on Tapestry? Well done. Okay. So hopefully you paused me. So just like here, I've done 20 in my tens frames. I wrote the number 20. I have drawn 20 because 20 is the same as two tens, 10, 20. And then I've also circled 20 on my number line and found a way to make 20. 1 and 19 make 20. You might have had something like 10 and 10 make 20 or 15 and 5 make 20. Okay, so our objective today is, can I subtract by counting back? Can I subtract by counting back? Fantastic. So let's have a look at our first question. Let's read it together. 18, read it with me. 18 take away 2 equals, should we see? So I'm going to show you because we haven't done this for a long time. So down here, I've got my number track, okay? So the first thing I need to do is I need to find my whole amount, which is 18, and I need to circle it. There we go. I can see 18. Now I'm going to count back 2 because we're taking away, so our number's getting smaller. So count with me. So we count back 2, so we go 1. I'm going to do it like this. 1, 2. Now remember, when I'm counting back, I can only count when I've landed on the number. Okay, watch me again. I can't count yet until I've landed on the number before. 1, 2. What is my answer? What's my answer? That's right, it's 16. Well done. Fantastic. Right, let's have a look at my next one. So let's read it together, shall we? So 16 take away 4 equals. So what's the first thing I need to do? Can you tell me? Fantastic. I need to circle my whole amount of 16. So I'm going to go on my number track and circle 16. Ooh, pen's gone missing. And then I'm going to count back how many? That's right. I'm going to count back 4 because I'm taking away 4. So count with me. Don't count till we've landed on the number before. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to circle my answer. There we go. So 16 take away 4 equals 12. That's right. That's what I've landed on. Okay. Let's see. What's my first step? That's right. I need to circle my whole. Let's read it together just so we make sure we know what our whole is. 17 take away 2 equals. So let's circle the number 17 on my number track. Found it. I'm going to circle it. I'm going to count back how many? 2, that's right. I'm going to count back 2 jumps. You ready? Count with me. Don't count till I've landed on the one before. 1, 2. There we go. So my answer is 15 because that's what I've landed on. Good. So if I take away 2 from 17, my answer is 15. Okay, let's have a go at this one now. So let's read it together. 16 take away 3 equals, let's see, my first step, can you tell me? Shout at me. I need to circle my whole amount of 16. Found it, there we go. Okay, now this one looks a bit different. So I'm going to make sure I land on those little jumps. Can you see? They've already drawn where the number is. So how many am I taking away from my 16? How many am I jumping back? 3, that's right. Well done. So count with me. So I've got to make sure I'm on 16 and I go to the next number. Can you see? And they've drawn a little like arrow thing to show me where the next number is. So I've got to be careful. So don't count yet. 1, 2, 3. Circle where I've landed. So I did 3 jumps, didn't I? I took away 3. What's my answer that I've landed on? That's right, 13. Well done. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to go away and have a go at these questions, okay? Now, you may need an adult to help you with drawing your number lines, or you might have them in your packs from the last lockdown, so you might be able to use your number lines. If you don't have number lines, then make sure you get an adult to draw the numbers to 20 for you and you can jump back, okay? Do you think you can do that for me? Fantastic. So pause me now and have a go at these 3 questions. And then if you're up for a challenge, come back. Okay, hopefully some of you came back for a challenge. So my challenge today for you is, can you work out the missing numbers in these number sentences? So we've got A here, 7 take away 5 equals 17 take away 5 equals, and then you can see the rest. So you can use a number track to help you with those. Do you think you can have a go at that? I can't wait to see all of your fantastic work on Tapestry. I'm going to give you a sparkle. Bye, everyone.